Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up your iPad Pro for the first time. So this is the iPad Pro 2021 third generation. On the side here there is a power button. You want to press onto that, press and hold. So in this video we will not transfer any data over. We will simply just going to quickly set up your iPad Pro so that we can jump straight in and start using it. Okay, once the iPad started, we need to choose a language. So select a language and select your country or region, and then tap on the country that you want to use. And as a quick start, we're going to tap on setup manually, and we need to connect to Wi-Fi. So in here I'm going to put in the Wi-Fi password. Now put in the password and tap on the join button. And so this may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. That's fine. We will wait for that to activate the iPad. Okay, next we need to tap on continued. Then it say, do you want to set up Face ID now or do that later? I'm going to choose do that later, so set up later in settings. And say create a passcode. Tap on passcode options. In here you can choose to either set up with a custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, 4-digit numeric code, or don't use passcode. So for now I'm going to choose don't use passcode and tap on don't use passcode. Okay, so at this point, if you want, you can choose to transfer data from an older iPad. We store from a Mac or a PC. We store from iCloud backup, or move data over from an Android. So I'm going to choose don't transfer data and apps. And here you will have a chance to print your Apple ID. I'm going to skip this part for now. So I'm going to tap on forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. And then I want to set up later in settings and tap on don't use. Then tap on agreed. Then tap on continued. And then choose whether you want to turn on location or not. And choose whether you want to use Siri or you can set up later. I'm going to choose set up later in settings. And then tap on set up later in settings for screen time. I will not share any iPad analytics data. And tap on continued. Tap on continued, or you can choose light or dark theme. That's up to you. And then tap on get started. So that is how you can set up your iPad Pro 2021. And this is the 11-inch Wi-Fi version. So now you're ready to use your iPad. We are connected to Wi-Fi. And if I tap on settings, you can always go into settings, sign to your iPad or sign to your Apple ID. You can always lock the screen. So in here we can set up screen lock. So it's all somewhere in here. So in general, it should be somewhere in here. Okay, so maybe it's out here somewhere. So if you find it's hard to find a settings, because sometimes there can be quite a lot of settings. So in here displayed, and in display you can set the auto locks screen. So maybe it's in Face ID and passcode. And in here you can see we can set up use Face ID to unlock an iPad. Then here you can tap on turn passcode on to set a passcode for your iPad. And yeah, then you can also sign to your App Store and set up your emails and so on. So once you have set up the initial settings, after that you can easily set other things on your iPad as you go along. Now this is quite something. This is quite new. I haven't actually seen this. If you swipe up, there is a bottom dock down here on the iPad Pro 2021. So that's pretty cool. I haven't seen that before. So if we so a lot of things happening right now. down here there is a bottom dock. I haven't seen that before, but somehow it just come up. I'm trying to see if I can bring it away. So if I kind of drag up like this, that will just bring up the bottom dock down here. So that is kind of cool. That allows you to quickly access application that you use frequently. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.